These lips lift me up and keep me grounded, mostly. They negotiate business and bedtime. Eyes are the windows to our soul, but lips do the talking. And these lips have a story to tell with Restylane Kysse, the first lip filler with expression technology for natural-looking volume and kissable softness to keep telling your story beautifully. Do not use Restylane Kysse if you have allergies to any of its ingredients, including lidocaine or bleeding problems. Tell your doctor if you take medications that affect bleeding or weaken your immune system. Common side effects include swelling, tenderness, bruising, pain, and redness at the injection site. Unintended injection into a blood vessel can cause vision abnormalities, blindness, stroke, scabs, or scarring. Tell your story like never before with Restylane Kysse.